Hi guys, this is Vikram. Today I'm going to India and soon I will be leaving my home and we'll be going to the bus stop. And from there we'll head to Auckland Airport and from Auckland Airport to Singapore and then from Singapore to India. So stay tuned. See ya.
I could always be the one you wanna call when it's cold outside. I will always be the one that's right here standing by your side. Open up your heart and let me in. I promise not to break you. I promise I'll be all that you want. So let me in my heart before. Let me in. Oh, your love explodes. Our heart implodes. Your love explodes. Our hearts
We reach eyesight in Auckland. Now I'm making myself a little bit of feet. $6.90. Hi guys, now I'm in Auckland Airport, walking down to go and see if I can check in now, otherwise I'll have to do check-in 2 hours before. So this is my luggage. I think not too much. Walking in the duty-free area right now. These are the one. I'm looking for a packet of smoke. Yeah, there is a free duty-free shop. Let's go and see what the prices are. देखते हैं यार क्या prices हैं यहाँ पे. अच्छा ये तो wine वाला area है. This is a wine area. Ah. Yeah. You see this empty bottles. Remy Martin XO. अरे यार इसका प्राइस देखो 3,399 for lessons over 5,000. There you go. Wow. 6,300, 3,000. Let's see. 4,000, 1,500. भाई बड़ा महंगा है. I don't think I can afford this one at the moment, but if I have support of you all, oh, maybe one day I can. इसका price है. Hello. No. I'm just showing my people. Alright guys, ये तो जगह बहुत महंगी है. निकल लो इससे पहले कुछ तोड़ो. Johnny Walker double black label 3 for 139. यार एक और बात बतानी थी. You guys need to be a little bit careful since you're buying from New Zealand and you're going to Singapore, and from Singapore you're going to India. You need to be very careful that you can only take 1 liter. You can't take more than 1 liter. So if you take more than 1 liter, they're going to damn throw it. So be very careful. Okay. So just take one bottle, that will be enough. But make sure that you don't take it out. Okay, if you take it out of the airport, they're going to throw it. So leave it in the airport and get a self storage area. That's about it. Okay. चलो अब देखते हैं 2 for 65 and 3 for 89. So that becomes 3. So don't get tempted by 3 for 89 because you can't take it on Singapore. Oak Absolute. Oh, that beach one. यार मेरे को तो सिगरेट चाहिए. अब मैं सिगरेट तो यहाँ पे मिलेगी नहीं. तो लेट्स सी. ये भी है वोडका. $50 वोडका. ओके. ये कितने हैं? 1.75 लीटर. Buy 2 save 15%. Buy 3 save 20%. Ooh. सिगरेट मेरे को तो बंद ही कर दिए उन्होंने. How is we follow this path? We go and see where we can buy some smokes. मालाबू देखो यार $38 की बॉटल है. मन कर रहा है यार ले लूँ, पर मेरे को अंकल वगैरह के लिए ड्रिंक्स वगैरह लेने जाना है. So I will buy for me a little bit later. So I'll go and grab some smokes if I may, and I'll talk to you guys a little bit later. Okay, so stay tuned.